Hey love, so welcome to my happy camper. And I am finally at the point where I'm making the final repairs or decorating. I'm to the point where I'm decluttering my house. I'm selling all my things that I'm going to sell. I'm giving away what I'm going to give away. I'm at the point where I am ready, getting ready to move into my RV. So it took me a lot, well, not a lot of decluttering. My daughter actually had way more stuff than me. I was okay with giving away most of mine, but my daughter wasn't. So her process was a lot longer and a lot more convincing. But in the end, she actually gave up a lot. Now, I ended up giving a lot, but it's mostly pajamas and things that I know I don't wear anymore. The nicer things that I had, I ended up selling on Facebook Marketplace, and I just kept the stuff that I know I wear. And this is what my closet ended up looking like. I gave away a lot of sandals that I didn't wear. This is like all my closet is reduced to, not including the bins that y'all seen on the bed. I sold my vanity. I went in the kitchen and started decluttering. I decided I wasn't taking any big pots and pans just because the kitchen space is very small in the RV. So I'm limiting it. And I don't really use a lot of dishes anyway. I like paper products. So this was fairly easy for me to do.
Thank you, Kiki.
I ordered some things on Walmart.com. Before I decided I was going to get an RV, well, during the process of me deciding, I did save a lot of things um, on Pinterest. I got all the ideas for things that I wanted as far as decorations and things. And these are some things that I've seen a lot of RVers use. And like I said, I do use a lot of paper plates and paper bowls. So this just was a must have for me because they just screw to the cabinets and voila bam. So I'm putting together the furniture for the RV as well as moving furniture out of the house. I found these little pleated paper shades at Walmart and I just wanted to try them. No cords, no tools. And they were only like $5 and some change. I decided to get these USB lights just so I won't have to use the lights in the RV as much. And then I decided to make my own table. Yes, so I already had this wood piece panel laying around the RV. Decided to go to Lowe's and get some legs. Then I found these chairs on Facebook Marketplace. They were brown. Decided to paint them and DIY some cushions. So yeah, pretty fast and easy, cheap um, decision I made. Um, I did use the same grayish paint that I used on my cabinets, and I will tell you the color of that paint in the video when I do the tour. So that should be my next video. Is my home tour. Um, I'm sorry this video is so late though, but a lot has been going on. Trying to get moved, and then you have this coronavirus thing currently going on, so you can't really go out and about. But I pray that all of you are being safe and staying in. And I want to thank you guys for watching. I know it's a simple video, not much to it. Didn't take a whole lot of time to make, but I did want to show y'all these things. My next video will be the completed tour of my RV, and I can't wait for you guys to see. what I've done. Um, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like it. Tell your friends and family about it as well. And I just hope you guys continue on this journey with me. Be blessed, and I love you guys. Bye.
Gotcha. Don't try anything. The look on your face. Dude, seriously, I'm just messing with you. You're fast. It took me forever to catch up.